Okay, just following on from the reading the other day, which was about connecting more with nature. I've gone out into nature, into the bush, made myself some lunch, and now I'm just going to chill out and eat my lunch, and then I'm going for a nice walk into the bush. So, you guys connecting with nature as well? I did a reading the other day, just a little short reading, and it came through that we need to connect with nature to be more in contact with our soul. That's what came through. So get out there, get into nature, and I'm going to eat this yummy lunch I have just cooked and made. See you all later. Bye.